What you see here is a shit show. Unfortunately, this modified bitumen roof is only 1 year old. The roofer never showed back up after the check cleared. We get quite a bit of that in Texas. What happened next is mind blowing. The building owner actually tried to do the roof repair himself. Folks, you can't script this. Hit that subscribe button, bruh. Smash that like button. If you ain't shy, comment. Let us know what you want covered, and we will do a video for you, cowboy. Up until this point in my storied 16-year commercial roofing career, I had a conspiracy theory that roofing salesmen were doing their own repairs. Holy cow, did this building owner steal the show? I see this all too often, folks. It doesn't have to be this way. There are credible contractors out there. Professionals such as Commercial Roof Repair Solutions in Houston, Texas. The old roof leak assassin will get you taken care of. Call now at 281 928 4428. You won't regret it. Don't forget, folks, the roofer has to be as good as the salesman. If you don't feel comfortable with the contractor, do not hire them. Hit that subscribe button, bruh. Smash that like button. If you ain't shy, comment. Let us know what you want covered, and we will do a video for you, cowboy.